cut up a bunch of this 1x1 over here for the walls, and then we're gonna cut up some for the ceiling, and then brace the walls, and then we can weld everything in place onto there, and then we'll cut out the windows after. We got quite a bit of our framing done here. Pretty sweet, pretty excited here. We're just working on the little ducktail back here. It's quite the challenge actually to do just that part, but we're figuring it out. We got the whole ceiling pretty much tacked in. We got all the walls tacked in. And then we got to go weld it all and brace it all. After it's braced, we're gonna cut out the windows and weld those suckers in there. So our frame is all finally done over here. It's been taking us a long time, like 3 weeks, kind of juggling work and building the frame here. Yeah, it's braced. We're waiting for some VHB tape to tape the panels on. After that, just kind of gonna go through it. It's really stable. A lot of people may think 1x1s are not stable, but I use these things as monkey bars, so they're pretty tough. Once again, thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned. I apologize that it does take some time to make some of these videos, but it is what it is. Some of these builds take long, and I'm not gonna record and make a 5-hour video to, you know, just make the frame essentially. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.